Hey everyone, my name is Carissa Jacobson and I'm a developer advocate with Docusign. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can turn signed agreements into impact drivers for your business. Agreements contain some of the most valuable business information that an organization has: pricing terms, renewal dates, obligations, SLAs. But oftentimes, this information is trapped within documents. Backend teams end up needing to manually extract information, update systems by hand, or build workflows based on stale or incomplete data. As AI and automation become more and more central to the way businesses operate, this approach just doesn't scale. AI agents and automated workflows need trusted, structured, and up to date agreement data in order to be effective. And that's where DocuSign IAM comes in. Today, I'm going to be walking through a three-layered architecture. We'll start with the DocuSign Agreement Manager. And this is going to be a centralized AI processed agreement repository for every agreement that flows through DocuSign. So you'll never have to pull from a third party archive or a shared drive. The data provenance is clean from the start. The second layer is the IAM Toolkit with the Agreement Manager. As agreements flow into the Agreement Manager repository, AI is used to surface structured metadata, those pricing terms and obligations, etc. But here's what makes it different from any generic document AI tool. If your business needs to extract a custom clause, a specific pricing term, or an obligation that's unique to your industry, you can define custom extractions using the IAM Toolkit. You can test it out in a sandbox environment and promote it to production using a programmatic interface. The result is going to be structured, trusted agreement data that reflects your business logic, not just out of the box fields. The third layer is the Agreement Manager API, and this is where you as the developer can take over. Once you have that structured, trusted agreement data that's all in one place, you can use the Agreement Manager API to surface those AI extractions within the business tools that your teams already use. And I'll show you how to do each of these things in just a second when we get into the demo. We're going to start in the Agreement Manager, where we'll see all of those agreements together in one place and some of the structured agreement insights that you can see directly from the Agreement Manager. Then we're going to move over to the IAM Toolkit to define a custom AI extraction that's aligned with a specific business need. And then we're going to move on to show how the Agreement Manager API can be used to surface those extractions in some different business tools. So with that said, let's get into it. Here I am in my Agreement Manager repository, where you can see a list of agreements that are here in my account. Every agreement that's sent and signed through my DocuSign account, or any agreements that are historical that have been uploaded into my account, will all end up here. And you can already see some of the AI extractions that are happening on my agreements. You can see that the parties are being extracted from each of my agreements. If I select this Show Insights dropdown, you can see some of the upcoming renewals that need to happen in the next 12 months. And if I select on any specific agreement, you'll be able to see some of the AI extractions that are happening on that document. So I'll go ahead and close that. But let's say I work for a company named Fontara, and at Fontara, they're introducing a new requirement that every agreement must include an AI and data protection addendum that's going to govern the way that vendors are able to use company data within their AI systems. In order to make sure that each of my agreements has that AI addendum, I don't want to manually go through each one to see if that addendum exists. I want to be able to see at a glance which of my agreements have that AI addendum and which don't, so that I'm better prepared to make a plan for how to update all of my agreements. So I'm going to move into VS Code, where I've pulled up the IAM Toolkit workspace. I was able to create this folder structure that you see here on the left using this Docusign scaffold command. And if I scroll down further in the README, you can see more information about the directory structure and how to get started with custom extractions. The first thing that I'm going to do is open my configs folder, where you can see I have three main JSON files. I have my standard catalog JSON file, which includes all of the object definitions for the standard agreement types and fields that come with DocuSign IAM out of the box. I also have my custom catalog JSON, which includes all of the object definitions for the custom agreement types and fields that I have defined for my account in the past. And then finally, I have my agreement manager manifest JSON file. And this is where I'm going to define any new custom agreement types or new custom field extractions for my account. If I scroll down, you can see I have my custom master supply agreement already pasted in here. And in order to define that custom agreement type, you'll need to provide some basic details like display name, category, whether you want to enable it for custom extraction, and then an AI definition. And the AI definition is just going to be a general description of when to apply this agreement type to an agreement in your account. You can also see that I've added some standard fields to this custom agreement type, as well as some custom fields. And most notably, I have here this has AI and data protection terms custom field. And this is the one that I'm going to show you how to define in just a second. The last thing that we need to define for our custom agreement types is a set of training documents that are going to be used to train the AI for this custom agreement type. So if I go over here into my folder structure and expand this training folder, you can see that I have a list of 4 training documents that I'm going to use to train the AI model on this custom agreement type. So now I'll scroll down into my custom fields, where you can see I have that has AI and data protection terms custom field definition. Again, I need some basic information like the category and the field type. And then again, here we're setting the custom extraction enabled field to true. I'll also give an AI definition for this custom field, and then I'll also give some examples. And the examples is going to correspond to how that AI addendum shows up in your training documents. So you should have enough training documents to cover all of the edge cases that might exist for your new custom field. In this case, we should have a training document corresponding to all of the different ways that this AI addendum might show up across my agreement set. For demo purposes, I just have the one example here, which is going to correspond to how that AI addendum shows up in my test documents. But again, you would want to provide multiple examples here for each of those edge cases, as well as some confirmed value false examples as well. But I think that my agreement manager manifest looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this manifest to my Docusign account using the command Docusign AGM upload. And then I'll use that -y flag. So you can see that it is scanning my manifest, making sure that it passes validation, and then it's going to import my manifest to my Docusign account, which is then going to create those custom agreement types if they weren't already created, and it's going to create those custom field extractions as well. Additionally, it's going to upload the training and testing files into the agreement manager so that it can get started with some of those AI extractions. And the testing files over here on the left should be different from your training files so that when you go ahead and test out your AI extractions, you kind of have a new set of documents so that you can get more accurate results that are different than the ones that were used to train the AI. So I'll go ahead and start that testing process. I'm going to use the command Docusign AGM test generate test template. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a CSV file for me where the first row is going to be the agreement name, followed by each of the field names that I want to test. And then every subsequent row is going to corresponding to a different test document, as well as the document ID. And each of these comma separated blanks here are where you would go through and fill in what's called ground truth values for each of these fields. So you'd probably want to open this in like Excel or Sheets so that you can modify this a little bit more easily. And you would go ahead and fill in the expected value for AI extraction for each of your test documents and for each of the fields that you want to test. I'm actually going to generate this CSV file one more time, and I'm going to use the flag prefill extractions. And that's just going to fill in our testing CSV with basically the first swing of what the AI is extracting from your test documents. And that just kind of gives you a basis to go off of to make filling in these ground truth values go a little bit faster. But I'm actually just going to leave this as is, and then I'm going to use the command Docusign AGM test run. And that's going to test our testing CSV values against the values that were extracted by AI. So if I expand this here, you can see the field names for the fields that were tested along with the accuracy score. So it looks like it didn't test all of the fields. That's okay. It's because I didn't go back and check my testing CSV. But in this case, if your accuracy score is lower than 100 or lower than a threshold that you're happy with, then you would go back, make sure that those ground truth values are what you would expect. And then you can also go back to your agreement manager manifest JSON file and update either your AI definitions or your examples to be a little bit more comprehensive of your test documents. But now that we have all of those custom extractions defined in our Docusign account, I'm going to go ahead and move over to Postman, where you can see how we can use the Agreement Manager API to surface those extractions. So I'm going to go ahead and send an API call to our Get Agreements list endpoint. And in the response for that API call, you can see some of the master supply agreements that were created in my account using the IAM Toolkit. And you can also see some of the fields and custom fields that exist on the agreements in your account as well. So let me scroll down to one that has that AI and data protection terms enabled field on there. You can see that our custom field was created successfully in our Docusign account, and it's surfacing those extractions as we would expect. Now I'm going to move over into Tableau, where you can see I have brought all of my agreements using the Agreement Manager API, and you can see all of the fields that exist on my agreements here on the left. And then you can kind of just play around with different data visualization tools to kind of see a better idea of the state of your agreements. Here on this sheet, I have a pie chart with the amount of agreements in my account that have the data AI protection addendum versus those who don't. And then the last thing I'm going to show here is going to be how you can use Docusign MCP server to surface those extractions as well. So here I am in Claude Cowork, and you could also use Docusign MCP with the LLM of your choice. But if I open up connectors, you can see that I'm connected here with my Claude Cowork Docusign account here. And I'm just going to ask Claude, hey, Claude, are there any agreements in my account that don't have an AI and data protection addendum? I'll go ahead and send that off. It's going to query the agreements in my account, and it'll be able to use our custom field to filter out which agreements have or don't have that data AI and data protection addendum. So it looks like it found the data, and it's going to list out the agreements that don't have that addendum on there. So as it's listing, we can kind of see at a glance what we need to do next. And then it'll also give us some suggestions on what to do next. So it says 12 out of 20 agreements don't have that AI and data protection addendum. So in that case, we can kind of make a decision on what we want to do. Do we want to renegotiate terms with the vendor, or do we just want to send out an updated agreement that includes that addendum? We could even trigger a workflow at this point, but really the path forward has become a lot more clear. So I'll go ahead and move back to my presentation. So we just saw our agreement manager repository with all of our agreements with those structured agreement insights. We saw how we can create custom AI extractions using the IAM Toolkit. And we saw how to surface those extractions using the Agreement Manager API in some different business tools. That's it for the demo. If you're interested in learning more about the Docusign IAM Toolkit, documentation for that will be linked in the video's description. Thanks for watching.